This is the third of 3 videos for how to use MQTT on the PC side of affairs. First one was how you can run the code on the PC. Second was the PC's library. And this third one is the key one, understanding the code on the PC, because you're going to write code just like this in your project. So you'll want to make sure that you understand this short video. Now, the library, MQTT Helper PC, is done once you change the value of its unique ID variable to a string that's unique to you. Also, the main on PC file is done, but let's talk through it briefly. So you're in your project going to have files like this. You're going to have a help. Let's see, that's the exercise. Let's look at the example. You're going to have an MQTT helper file. And again, the only thing that you'll change in that is you'll change the unique ID. And then you'll have a main on PC, and it will, in your project, create a Tkinter object and make a GUI object and make an MQTT client object that's up top here, and then set the dispatcher for the client to be the GUI and tell the GUI the MQTT client. That's what lets them refer to each other and what makes things go. And then you'll have this verbatim, just exactly like this. And then in the GUI, you'll have code that is like this one, and where you take the instance variable self MQTT client and send a message, and you'll put that wherever you need it in your GUI file. And you'll have a method specially named called receive message that you put whatever code you need to have run when a message occurs to the PC from the Pico. That's all it is. That's all it is. 4 things. 1, you'll need to, in the GUI file, store the MQTT client, like is done here. Second, you'll have to have that required method, receive message. And third, you'll have to send a message whenever you want to send a message on that MQTT client. So those 3 things are the 3 items that you'll have to use the MQTT libraries on the PC side of your code. Now's a good time to ask questions. If you have any, you have an exercise coming up.